Shortcut supports Markdown throughout the app, but did you know you can also sprinkle in a little HTML for even more visual power? Let's look at how it works across stories, epics, objectives, iterations, and comments, plus a few quick notes on where some elements behave differently. While each entity that supports the Markdown editor has the general toolbar options, if you ever need a refresher on Markdown formatting, things like bold, italic, or backticks for inline code, you can click Markdown tips when editing a description or comment to open the Markdown editor cheat sheet. It's a quick reminder of everything that's supported by the built-in editor. HTML works in just about any entity that supports the Markdown text editor. That includes story, epic, objective, and iteration descriptions, as well as story and epic comments and most checklist items. Let's start right here in a story description. Here are a few HTML examples I've added directly into the story. You can create a splash of color with span tags, collapsible details using details and summary, a callout box for helpful notes or context, inline badges or tags for quick visual labels, a date and time picker using an HTML input element, and simple tables for structured data or summaries. You can also use HTML in checklist items, great for color coding or emphasizing key steps. For example, this green text right here, or this one, highlighted in purple. Just note that interactive elements like toggleable detail sections and date and time picker don't work as intended inside checklists. Clicking them reopens the editor instead of expanding or opening the input field. They work perfectly in descriptions or comments, just not within checklist items. Now, as mentioned, HTML also works great in story and epic comments too, perfect for visual updates or collapsible context. For example, a color-coded alert or collapsible release notes. The same HTML works in descriptions for epics, objectives, and iterations, so your formatting stays consistent across your workspace. And as mentioned in epic comments as well. Here it is in an objective. And in an iteration. And that's it. A few HTML snippets to power up your Markdown in Shortcut. Use color, structure, and collapsible details to make your content clear, consistent, and fun to explore.